What's good, YouTube? So I got a 50K Chime credit bureau loan deposit to my checking account. I did made a video the other day about this, but I want y'all to know that this credit bureau loan, no other company is offering this. Literally, I was lucky enough to find out about the site. I was literally just going through, Google, trying to find some credit builders. But this is the only one that offers an actual loan, which is crazy. So go on tradelines.com. You're going to scroll all the way down. Of course, there are CPN packages. They can get you approved for an apartment, get you a loan, get you a car. You guys can go on Carvana. You guys can go on CarMax, get a car with 0 down. You come with trade lines with a good credit score. But let's talk about the credit builders for this video. Now, I got the highest credit builder. I got the 50K credit builder. So to get this with bad credit, all you guys have to do is pay for the fee. It's a one-time fee. No, the fee is not deducted from the loan. You guys have to pay this up front. They can't just give you 50K with nothing, right? You guys have to pay for the service charge. So it will report at a Chime loan. It deposits to your Chime, but it's not directly through Chime. It's directly through this company. Okay. So this can be also, be reported on the CPN. So you guys can technically get 2 of these, one for your CPN, one for the social. 15% interest rate, reports all 3 bureaus, and you guys need to provide the account round number over to the company. And there's a number on the top for you guys to text. Okay. And they do have business credit funding. So up to 500K, $2,000 fee. You got to get approved. So technically you guys can get $250,000. You can get the 50K Chime credit builder and you can get the business loan. So for the Cash App and the Chime, you can only get one at a time until you guys pay back. So it's only one per person unless you guys have another CPN under a random name. You guys can get away with it. But they do have all trade lines for car approvals up to 0 down. Primary trade lines. This is the best package y'all can add on the credit. Instant guaranteed 800 credit score because it has everything you need. Stays on for 30 years, reports in 5 business days. Now, the credit bureau loans, each time you guys pay the loan back each month is going to build your credit. So if you guys have no credit, let's say you guys just turned 18 looking to build your credit. Even the 10K loan, this one, they'll give you 10K to spend. Once you guys pay back, you guys can get another one if you want. But it's just like self-lender. It's just like kickoff for Credit Strong. But you guys can see right here, one-time payment up front is nice taking off the loan. And this one actually had a lower interest rate of 5%. So if you guys you guys care about the interest rate, then the 10K is good. But for the price difference between the 5K and the 10K, I will go for the 10K because it's more money. And the only difference is $150. So the 10K is a little better, but you guys only have $200 to spend. The 5K is good. Okay. And the interest is still 5%. Monthly payment is $350. Okay. So definitely check out tradeline.loans.com. You guys can check out the other services. I'll link some other services in the description. Another one I want y'all to check out is tradelineprivacy.com. They do have the verified Cash App accounts. They made the Cash App under a burner CPN and they apply for a credit card under the CPN because they have a credit score. It has trade lines. They literally added 3K or up to 15K to the balance. You guys can only pay for this Cash App account. But they do have the CPNs as well and trade lines, rental history, credit repair, everything you need. Between this one and the other site, it doesn't really matter. But me personally, I do like Tradeline Privacy. I'll do more reviews of this website, but definitely check out the credit butters or the Cash App accounts.